Hi, this is Ron Nutter, and welcome to an edition of Tech Bytes Product Reviews with Ron Nutter. This time we're looking at a different kind of hammer, and this is one that if you do some woodworking or you do some crafting and occasionally you need to get two pieces of wood or another type of soft surface to go together and they just don't want to seem to do it, this is what will help you get there without damaging the surfaces you're working with, or at least maybe damaging them as much. So this is got two different ends to it. You've got the orange end, which is a little softer, and then you have the black end, which is still soft but a little bit firmer. So depending on what you're doing, you may want to start out with the orange end just to use the minimal amount of force needed. But this is going to be something that if you're doing any sort of crafting, then this is going to be a tool that will serve you well for many years.